After the unit is installed and an account is registered, you can place a call in the following ways. Lift the handset or use the speakerphone to dial directly. Pre-input the number you want to call, then lift the handset. Optionally, you can use the Send soft key, the OK key, the pound key, or the speakerphone key to initiate a call. While in a call, you can use the handset, speakerphone key, or headset key to switch the talking mode. When there is an incoming call, you can answer it in the following ways. Answer a call using the handset, the speakerphone, or the headset. Conversely, you can ignore the incoming call by pressing the silent soft key and reject the incoming call by pressing either the Reject soft key or the X key.